keep moving. They're right behind me. Gotta get home. Gotta get across the street. Gotta get creative here. Hang on! I'll get some help! Never mind. Now cross this thing. Nope, not that way. Shit!
I got a gun!
I'll remember you, guy I didn't know. Now let's get busy. Stand up. Stay off the ground. Bam! Pretty good shot, huh? I think I'm getting the hang of this. This guy again. Okay, stay above. Thanks, old guy. Okay, finally I can go home. Oh shit.
But tonight is all about you, Sunset City! Wow, right! Enjoy being the first people on the planet to drink Overcharge! Yeah! Upgrade!
Job. Get off me! Weirdo! What the fuck? Back, man. Mess you up. No more job, no more uniform.
Follow me.
Who are you?
I'm Walter, the guy who just saved your ass. There's still a few survivors left in the city, but not for long. Take this. Watch it! They followed us! all yours, kid. Show me what you got.
What do you mean, show you what I got? Help me!
Nah, you're fine. Keep it up.
Quit judging me and help!
Not bad, kid. Meet me at the basketball court.
Why? So you can silently judge me some more? What is this, a test?
Damn right it's a test. I met other survivors like you. They were more trouble than they were worth.
That dead body over there? That one of them? Hey, dead guy. What am I in for here?
Break open that crate. Pick up the gun. Now, switch to your new gun.
How do I do that? That was the test? I fucking nailed it!
Wait here. Get ready to shoot some OD.
OD?
Overcharge drinkers. My partner Floyd says drinking overcharge causes their endocrine systems to go into overdrive. I'm gonna throw some overcharge onto the court. Get ready for the real test. The OD are addicted to that stuff. They'll be here quick. Here they come. Get on the fence, kid. You're still alive. That's a good sign. Come on, kid.
Hey, where's the cops? The National Guard? The news helicopters?
Wake up, kid. Fisco controls everything.
Can't we just call for help or something?
It's not that easy. Fisco cut off all communications outside the city. But I have a plan.
Fizco did this?
Not on purpose, but they're doing a hell of a job covering it up. Rest of the world thinks we're all dead from some kind of virus. Come on, we gotta keep moving. This here is Two Hat Jack. He makes weapons.
You sell me short, buddy. I'm a master craftsman. I make unbelievable shit.
Go ahead, kid. Fire weapon.
You want more weapons? You come back with more overcharge. Deal?
Come on. I want you to meet Floyd.
Hey, who's this?
Our new partner.
Well, all right. My name's Floyd.
Intruders!
This is our turn!
Go on, kid. You know what you're doing.
Who are these guys?
Abs. Criminals who will shoot you for no good reason. Best way to deal with them? Shoot first.
You realize that makes us the...
Just get out there and make sure you grind up high and bounce around. If you stand, get above them. Use the wires.
Okay, kid. Come on back. I'm gonna head out to the overpass. Put the kid to work.
Okay, I could use some more supplies. Head on down to the tracks. I'll explain on the way.
By myself?
Hey, I know there's some scary shit out there, but it's all in how you look at it. You tell yourself you're gonna have a good time, you'll have a good time. Am I right? But seriously, those motherfucking OD will tear you apart. Be careful. I marked the location of the parts on your map. Make sure you collect all of them. I used to be a Fisco scientist, head of the Extremophiles team. Those freaky little microbes are the secret ingredient in Overcharge. Limitless potential in those things. I warned Fisco that they might be dangerous, but they blew me off. Didn't give me enough time for research. See, if you cook Overcharge in a high-pressure vat and mix in just the right ingredients, you can get some pretty awesome hit. I call them imps, and trust me, you're going to love them.
Your street name isn't Heisenberg, is it?
Don't forget the parts.
Got one!
I think you might have missed some parts back there.
I think I got them all.
There's another truck further down the tracks. Jump on the train tracks and grind to the next stash. Hey, if you see any red barrels...
I've played my fair share of games. I know what to do with red barrels. Floyd, these guys with big juicy heads are coming at me.
Those are OD that drank too much Overcharge. They're called poppers. Best to shoot them before they get close. They're coming down the hill. Watch it. Sounds like you got a bunch of them coming your way.
Okay, Floyd, I think I got them all.
Okay, come back to the brewery.
So, Floyd, there's one thing I don't get. Why would Fisco poison their own customers?
You got it wrong. The whole thing was an accident. The Fisco execs were so worried about competition, they rushed Overcharge through government testing. They fucked up, and now they'll do whatever they can to protect their stock price.
They're not getting out of this city alive, are we?
Not with that attitude, we're not. I look at it this way. The apocalypse is our chance to be whoever we want to be. No bosses, no rules. I call it the awesome apocalypse. 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 All right, so I've been working on some things I call amps. I have some that are almost ready. I just need a few more things to finish them off. There should be some fizzy balloons out in the base. Grab them and bring them back. Nice! Just 2 more. Okay, 1 more. Okay, that was the last one. Take the balloons to the amp chamber to finish the amps. Yeah! Okay, now you have to equip those amps.
How? I mean, if this were a video game, I could just go to a menu or something.
Pay attention, player!
Why am I hearing disembodied voices?
Because you need to learn some shit. And studies have shown this is the best way. You equip amps on the character tab. There are different categories of amps. Select the hero amp slot to equip your hero amp. Now you're amplified. Bam! Now let's do your weapon amp. Select the weapon you want to amplify. Choose a weapon amp to equip to the weapon. Now, go kick some ass!
Don't feel any different.
Oh yeah, amps only activate when you fight with style. This is the style meter. It's your best friend. Use traversal combinations to fill your style meter. Bounce, grind, and swing. Stay on the move. Killing enemies while grinding, bouncing, and doing acrobatics also creates style. You need practice. Go to the parking lot and activate your first amp. Bounce on cars and grind on wires until you reach style level 1. Wicked! Your hero amp is now active. Get on the ground and roll into enemies. With this new amp, you will knock them down. Good. Now you need to get to style level 2 to use your weapon amp. Grind and bounce to build up style. Now, test the weapon amp. Use the high-fidelity weapon. Now, use what you just learned to finish off the game.
Hey, who wants some of this?
Different amps activate at different levels of style. Hero amps activate at style level 1. Weapon and melee amps activate at style level 2. Epic amps activate at style level 3. At max style...